Last story on Samsung, and this may actually affect their future laptop designs. Samsung is bringing its Exynos chipsets to computers, according to Tipster. So this is in line with, obviously, what we've seen Apple do. There are talks that Qualcomm is going to bring a chip targeted at laptops. The whole ARM situation, everything's merging right now. People want battery life, performance, connectivity. All this stuff is baked in. Some people's smartphones are more powerful than their laptops. So what do we got going on here? Samsung wants to be a part of that. I can see that. It is just a rumor for the time being. Samsung bringing its Exynos line of chipsets to a new computing category. Obviously, the company Silicon is already found in its family of smartphones, depending on region. Our Samsung devices ship with the Snapdragon stuff that in the video I kept calling it the 875. It's actually the 888 because they decided to change their scaling because because 8 is a really lucky number and they're like, let's just do 3 8s. We don't, because they had the 855, 865. In my brain, it was already 875.
I see.
And then I tweeted at them and they like winked back and they're like, nah, 888's cooler. And I was like, you know what? You might be right on that. 888. Yeah. Well, how often do you get a chance to be 888? Never.
Not.
Anyway, they got a chance. So yeah, in our region, our stuff ships with Snapdragon. But my understanding is that the Exynos stuff has been getting better and better, and Samsung might be ready to show off. Apparently, they'll be able to bring these Exynos chipsets to Windows PCs. It all started with a tweet from the Galux. He said Exynos for computers can't wait, and that started the whole thing going. The rumor mill started the rumor mill churning, but I would not be surprised. They make laptops themselves, so that's an easy crossover. And at this point, it really seems like everybody's coming for Intel's money. Where's Intel in all this?
They've been king for so long.
Where's Intel in all that talk?